Pre-warning.
All good.
But it just looks like it was just
so perfect.
clear and everything was so perfect. Like fuck all wind coming off the back.
Yeah.
My fucking starter, get back into it.
And if it's not good on the weekends, you know, which work and you're sorted, but if you're going to go like 1 or 2 days a week, I'm going to hope that it's, you know, going to be decent.
Yeah.
Push it back, flush.
Do you put a bit of silicone on the plate or no?
I don't. I mean, once you lock it in. Oh, Jesus Christ. So. It's like just, you can cut it, but I'm gonna try, because we can get to the screws, I'm gonna try and see if any water comes out. Just do the whole lot. Because if no water comes out, we know it's got a good, we know it's sealed.
Well, water has it, it's just the water that'll spill down the side.
Because that just, we've probably just tipped more water down it than an actual flush would put down it. Booyah!
Not doing that one.
No, we just need the one. The one will do. Now we can mark the where to screw it. You're right. To screw it, here's your hole. I literally mark the outside of the toilet.
Mark the outside.
Like that.
Yep.
And then just eye up center of that hole. And just put a line there.
Yep.
And then do the same on this side.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I missed that. Banda. Save us cutting, make another. Oh, I'll cut this. Shit. That I don't. I really don't. And put like a new BP in maybe. They might have had issues with the old one. Tell you what, it's muggy.
I can imagine.
Leaky toilets, and most of them will be clean before they go in my van. I generally give them a wipe. Oh no, put silicone on the cover plate.
It's got to be at least 3 because there's 3 small children's bedrooms here.
That it doesn't. Going.
Just slowly.
Yeah, very slowly. I've never pushed it like that before.
That's right, I'll cut that out of the video.
And I wonder why I have never done that, 'cause that did not work. It's in.
You break it?
Break what? We were nearly done.
last guy used to do them all the time.